Okay, here's a little explanation on a power to a power. So we got 3 cubed to the power of 4, and how do they get to this equals 3 to the 3 times 4? So what we could do is we can take our time and say, well, that's really 3 cubed times 3 cubed times 3 cubed times 3 cubed, because it's whatever's inside the brackets to the power of 4, meaning multiply by itself 4 times. And then we can say, okay, well, I know how to do multiplication. I do, if the base is the same and I'm multiplying, I just add the powers. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and I get 3 to the 12. And I say, okay, wait a minute, if I keep doing that, I might find a pattern. Well, there's 4 of these 3's, right? And so what they did was they said, wait a minute, this is the same thing as 3 times 4. And they said, oh, well, we could just go from here and say a power to the power is we multiply the powers. But I always forget the rules, so go ahead and expand it out, and then away you go. You don't have to do the rules that way right away, and then once you get used to it, you can go back and figure out the rules. So similarly, 2 squared cubed, so let's do that one. 2 squared cubed will be, let me just put a line here, 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 squared equals 2 to the 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 to the 6. Or I could have done 2 squared cubed, the fancy way is equal to 2 to the 2 times 3 equals 2 to the 6. Okay, so it's the same thing. There's 3 groups of 2, or 3 groups of 2. That's what this 2 times 3 comes from. Alright, because we're getting it multiplied by itself 3 times. And so that's how the power to a power works.